how to play against bots in League of Legends. If you want to gain some experience and if you need to practice, then playing against bot is much helpful. You can play matches against bot as practice to strengthen your strategy. Now let's see how you can play against bots in League of Legends. First, click on play button at the top left corner. Then we need to go to co-op versus AI. My PvP match are blocked because this is my new account. That's why the PvP match is not unlocked yet. So in this co-op versus AI, you can select the level of bot. There is intro, beginner, and intermediate. More you play against bot, more you get experience in your account. Then you just need to click on confirm. Then you have to set the bots and your teammates, and remember this is 5 versus 5. Also in the training session you can get the tutorial session or practice tool. You can practice with against bot. You can learn the tutorial against bot. And from custom rooms you also can play against bots. You just need to create a custom room, and this is your team and this is the enemy team. In the enemy team, click on add bots, and here you can see I have added bots, and you can add 5 bots in the enemy team. You can see, and the character will chosen randomly. You can also set the character for the enemy team. You can set the roles, you can set the level into intro or in beginner or into intermediate. And also you can add bots in your team also. Just need to click to this button add bot, and after this click on start game to play the game against AI bot. That's how you can play against the bots in League of Legends. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.